How to be at peace. Inner peace is something everyone needs to be able to function correctly. If you're not at peace with yourself, everything's going to make you question yourself and rob you of happiness. Here are a few things that you must remember to keep enjoying life as you should be. The past has passed. Too many people get stuck in moments that have already hurt them and taught them the lessons they were supposed to learn. By staying glued to your defeats in the past, you're also condemning your present. Mistakes are part of life. Sometimes we make small, negligible ones, but other times we commit huge mistakes that change us in some fundamental way. Let your mistakes change you, but for the better. The important thing is to move on forward from it and evolve. Things change. While this is a vague concept, depending on where you are in the wheel of life, find it comforting that if you're up, you have what it takes to weather the storms that might come, and if you're down, then the wheel only going to turn you upward. Change is scary, but let it scare you into the right direction. The thought that nothing lasts forever should be what keeps you in the present and making the most of it. How things can quickly turn into something else can be exhilarating. The sooner you accept that and view it in a positive light, the better you'll be at rolling with the punches and letting nothing faze you. Health is wealth. You need to start taking your health seriously. It doesn't matter what age you start, the younger the better. Start making better decisions about what you're going to eat and how you want to keep your body fit. Exercise is always a good idea, so take up a sport or a hobby that excites you. You might also want to keep the junk food at bay. Studies have shown that eating those things will not make you feel better in the long run. Processed food should be avoided at all costs. Stop caring. This isn't a general suggestion, but as far as what others think of you, you need to concern less about it. People will say, think, and do what they want, regardless of how you feel sometimes. If you let yourself be affected by it every single time, you are in for a world of heartaches. One way to distance yourself is to know yourself inside and out. If people are saying things about you that you believe are not true, then leave them to their thoughts and don't bother with them. You need to learn to let things slide and brush them off from time to time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.